Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, I am Surya Ravir from Peshawar Model School, Nuchera campus. This is my lecture number 2 for class 8 regarding SVT. Before starting, do subscribe my channel and let's begin. So the second topic for your SVT for unit number 1, Introduction to Biology, is linkage of biology with other fields of study. Now students, biology is related to a lot of other fields as well. These are physics, chemistry, geography, statistics, etc. Now what is the relation of biology with these fields? We will study these in today's lecture. First one is biophysics. Now biophysics is an interdisciplinary field of understanding biological phenomena and problems using the principles and techniques of physics. In this field, the principles, the rules and the techniques of physics, the laws of physics are applied on biological organisms. For example, MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, that is a very common example of application of physics rules on bio. Next one is biochemistry. Now biochemistry is all concerned with the chemical reactions and the molecules that are present inside the living organisms. It is the study of the compounds, the vitamins, the minerals, the proteins, etc., which are present inside the living organisms. Next one is biogeography. It is a study of distribution of organisms in space and time. Now it is all related with how some organisms are found in one field or one land and why other organisms are found in other land. These all are studied in biogeography. For example, why mosquitoes are found only in damp and harsh places. Next one is biostatistics or biometry. It is the application of statistical and mathematical formulas in the study of biology. It involves design, analysis and interpretation of research data, that how organisms are found in a specific area, and all the application of statistical and mathematical rules, solving a biological problem. These all are concerned with the biometry or biostatistics. Next one is bioeconomics. It is the correlation between biology and economics. It deals with the study of organisms from economical point of view. For example, if a specific crop is very good for a specific field or a specific land, so what are the benefits, what are the pros and cons of a specific crop or plant, that are studied in biostatistics or biometry. Okay, the next topic is careers in biology. Now there are a lot of careers which can be adopted after studying biology. These include medicine and surgery, fisheries, agriculture, farming, etc. Now if a student who is studying biology can also adopt this as a career. First one is medicine and surgery. You know very well that medicine and surgery is related with MBBS. A student after completing his FS or her FSC can go for medicine and surgery. This is a very common field of study of one who is studying biology. Next one is fisheries. Fisheries is all concerned with the population and the developmental processes of the fishes, their diseases, their population, etc. Next one is agriculture. Agriculture is all related with farming, with land crops, with plants, etc. One who is studying biology can also go for agriculture. Next one is animal sciences. Animal sciences is concerned with animal husbandry. A student of biology can also go for adopting this as a career, and this involves all the production, the livestock, the diseases, everything related to the animals. Next one is horticulture. Horticulture is concerned with the crops, the plants, the fruits, the vegetables, that how they are grown, how they can be, their rate can be increased, etc. Next one is forestry. Forestry is all concerned with the wildlife, the plants and the animals that are found in forests. They are studied in forestry. Next one is farming. In farming, farms are developed and maintained for animal breeding, poultry, fruit and vegetables. All the livestock, the poultry, the fruits and vegetables, the plants, they are studied in farming. Okay, so this was for today's lecture. In the next lecture we will continue with the next topic.